On this video today, I'm going to show you the best free traffic source that you can use to promote CPA offers to make money from home. I'm going to be showing you the country that you have to find offers with higher payout. I'll also be showing you the free quality traffic source that you can use to promote the offers so that you can be making money from home. So make sure you keep on watching till the end, because this method does not require any skills. It does not require any experience. Even if you're a complete beginner, you can use this method to make money. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. There are a lot of them, but in this case I'm using CPA group. Once you create your CPA group and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you're here, click on offer tools. Once you click on offer tools, select my offers. Once you click on my offers, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to find offers that you can promote to make money on CPA group. There are a lot of different offers that you can promote on CPA group. So now what you have to do is that you have to select a country where you have a traffic source so that you can get offers that are available in that country for you to promote. There are many countries that you can search for on CPA group and then find offers. As you can see on your screen, all these offers, I have to promote them to people who live in the United States. You can see a whole lot of them. So if you have a traffic source in the United States, you can select any of these offers that you want and then promote it. But one of the disadvantages is that some of the countries, they have offers with lower payout. As you can see on your screen, all these offers, they have lower payout. So if you promote any of these offers and then get a conversion, you are going to be earning low amount. So you have to search for a country where you can get offers with higher payout. So what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on it. Once you click on it, you can scroll down and then select any country that you want. You can see there are a lot of different countries that you can click on to find offers that are available in those countries. You can see a whole lot of different countries. You can select any of them that you want. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be searching for Switzerland. So just search for Switzerland. Once you search for it, you can see it right here, Switzerland. Click on it. Once you search for it, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to scroll down so that you can find offers to promote. You can see the first offer, the payout is good. You're going to be earning $20.53 per every lead that you get. The requirement is very simple, pin submit. So your potential visitors have to submit a pin code so that they can get access to the offer and you are going to be paid. You can see the payout is very high. Apart from this offer, if you scroll down, there are many of them that you can promote. As a school, you can see another one, the same amount that you're going to be earning per every lead that you get, $20.53. So just scroll down and then select any of these offers that you want. You can see most of the offers that are allowed in Switzerland have higher payout. You can see a whole lot of them, $10 and $17, $20. You can see $6 and many others. So what you have to do is that you have to select any of the offers that you want and then promote it. You can see a whole lot of different offers. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see a whole lot of them. If you don't understand what the offers are about, what you have to do is that you have to translate the language to English so that you can understand what the offers are about. To translate the offers, what you have to do is that you have to right click. Once you right click, select translate to English. Once you select it, you can see all the offers has been translated to English. So now you can understand what the offers are about. You can see this offer, the title is Access Your Antivirus Program. That is the title of the offer. The next one is download your content. This is a gaming offer. So if you promote it, your potential visitors are going to get access to a game and you are going to be paid $20.53. So just scroll and then promote any of them that you want. You can see a whole lot of them. So just scroll down and then search for any of them that you want. In this case, I'm going to be promoting this offer right here. Download the best games. This is the offer that I want to promote. You can see the requirement is pin submit. So my potential visitors are required to enter their mobile numbers and then submit a pin. Once they are able to take that action, I'm going to be paid $20.53. You can see the offer is allowed on desktop. You can see it right here. Now what you have to do is that you have to click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on it, you can see this is your affiliate link. You can see the offer is allowed in only Switzerland. Apart from that, you can see the rest of the details of the offer. If you click right here, you can select a tracking domain that you want. Any tracking domain that you want, you can select it. There are many of them, so just select the one that you want. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people who live in Switzerland to click on your affiliate link and then take the required action for you to make money. In this case, I'm going to be showing you a free traffic source that you can use to get people who live in Switzerland to click on your affiliate link and then take the action. The traffic source that we're going to be using today is freeashome.com. This is a classified website, and the best part is that you can get conversion on this website. What you have to do is that you have to be consistent. You have to keep on posting different ads so that you can succeed on this website. It's a good classified website that you can post your ads. As you can see right here, these are categories that you can post your ads. You can see a whole lot of different categories that you can post your ads. Apart from the categories, you can post to any specific country that you want. You can see they have United States, and you can see London. If you want the rest of the world, you can click right here, other countries. Once you click on it, you can see a whole lot of different countries that you can select to post your ad. You can see a whole lot of them. Just select the country that you are targeting and then post your ad. It is free. You are not required to pay for anything. You can see a whole lot of different countries. In this case, our offer is allowed in Switzerland. So what you have to do is that you have to scroll to the button and then select Switzerland. Just scroll to the button. Once you scroll to the button, you can see Switzerland. Click on it so that you can post your ad. Once you click on it, the next step is that you have to click right here, post free ad. Once that is done, you have to select the category of your ads. You can see a whole lot of different categories that you can select. In this case, it is a gaming offer. So what you have to do is that you have to select entertainment. Once you select entertainment, you have to select the specific subcategories. You can see movies and TV. You can see sporting goods and accessories, music and instruments, literature. You can see clubs, board games, video games, and the rest. So any of them that you want, you can select. In this case, our offer is a video game. So what you have to do is that you have to click on video games. Once you click on video games, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to paste the title of your ad here. So you have to go back on CPA Grip so that you can get the title of the offer and then paste it here. Once you come back on CPA Grip, what you have to do is that you have to highlight and then copy the title of the offer. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back on your ad and then paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, what you have to do is that you have to copy the description of the offer and then paste it here. You can write your own description, or you can come back on CPA Group and then highlight and copy this as your description. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back, paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Now once you have pasted the description, the next step is that you have to write a call to action so that the people will know what to do when they see the ad. So you have to search for Google Translate. Just search for Google Translate. Search for Google Translate. Once you search for it, you can see it right here. Click on it so that you can use Google Translate to write your call to action. Once you're on Google Translate, what you have to do is that you have to click right here so that you can select the language that you want to translate. In this case, we want to translate to German, so select German. Once you select German, now you can write your call to action here and Google Translate will translate it for you. So you are going to type something like click here to learn more. Click here to learn more. Something like this. Just write your call to action like this. Once you have written it, you can see it has been translated. Copy the translated text. So click right here to copy the translated text. Once you copy it, you're going to come back on your ad and then paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste it, the next step is that you have to insert your affiliate link in this call to action so that when people read the description, they can click on it and then enter the required details so that they can get access to the games and you are going to be paid. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA Group. Once you come back, click on copy link so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you're going to come back, highlight your call to action. Once you highlight it, you are going to click on this globe icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, you have to paste your affiliate link here. Once that is done, click on OK. And you can see your link has been inserted. Let me show you the preview of it. You can see this is the preview of it. This is how your potential visitors are going to see the ad. You can see everything. It is clickable, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to enter your email address here. Once you enter your email address, you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see upload pictures. You have to upload images of the offer that you are promoting. To get an image of the offer, what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA Group, right click on the offer image, select save image as so that you can save the image onto your device. Once you select save image as, you're going to click on save. Once you save the image, you're going to come back, click on choose file. Once that is done, select your image, click on open. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you're going to scroll down. You can see people can contact me with commercial interest. If you want people to contact you with commercial interest, check the box. Once that is done, I agree to the terms of use by making a post. Check the box. Once that is done, you have a lot of different promotional options. When you click on it, you can see the number of options that you have. You can pay $3 for 15 days so that your ad will be featured, 45 days, 100 days, 270 days, 365 days. If you want your ad to be featured, just select the days and the amount that you can afford. In this case, we're not going to select any of them, so just leave it. The next one, extended ads. If you want your ad to stay on the website for a very long time, you can click right here and then select the period and the amount that you want to pay. You can see the options. In this case, we are not going to select anything. We are going to leave it as none. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to click on post now so that your ad can be posted. Once you click on post now, you can see congratulations, your ad successfully posted and live. No activation is required. Your ad is posted onto the website. You are going to be getting traffic from Switzerland so that the right people can click on your affiliate link and then enter the required details for you to make money. The best way to succeed with classified ads is consistency. You have to be consistent. You have to post a lot of different ads so that you can get a lot of traffic. There are a lot of different people competing on this same website. So for you to stand out, what you have to do is that you have to be consistent. You have to keep on posting a lot of different ads onto the website so that you can get a lot of traffic. Do not post only one and expect magic to happen. Post a lot of different ads onto the platform so that you can get results. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.